Muntie. This is a call to all Ghanaians, home, abroad, and the diaspora. What happened to the love for our nation? What happened to patriotism? Why have we allowed greediness, selfishness, corruption, and nepotism ruin our beautiful nation? Chuchurusiachi na hwa na utafe. Usiachi nyoda. Hwa na tafre. Ti chuchurudodomiye. Na ho ayode. Some Ghana or some pa. Na Ghana ayeye ama yenyina. This is the time for all to come together to save our nation. This is the time to put Ghana first. Put Ghana first and move Ghana forward. We can do it. Yes, we can. Search ne wa na tafe. Obia nso mu bi. Na segua. Eguya nso. Ochema kasa. Ifriti mateno. Ifremu muntie. Muntie. Ghana muntie. Muntie. Ghana muntie. Show Ghana some love. Stop corruption now. You know you are part of the problem. Change. Change. And play your part to move Ghana forward. Change. God bless our homeland, Ghana. God bless